I believe that management is just as important as collection and utilization of information. We don't want flooding, we never do. In our document library of a typed document, you are able to upload all kinds of files. However, only a handful of them can be displayed in our split viewer. Google Docs, slides, sheets, PDFs, typed memo, website URLs, including YouTube, and all kinds of images. Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel files will be automatically translated into the Google format, just how it's like in Google Drive. Small tip: you can rename all the references that you collect or create. Utilize the Sections feature with the plus section button in the library to sort out your references. It is a segmenting feature to group relative references together to have a more organized document library. This comes in especially handy when you reach 10 plus references on a single document. Essentially, the more references you have in a document, the more sections shine. Organize your references to your liking and never lose information to flooding. Since typed can be used collaboratively, the next video will be about collaborating with your team members. See you there.